Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to have your header row showing in a Microsoft Excel. So let us get in. You can see over here I have a sheet, and what I would like to do is I would like to make sure that this top row, as you can see here, the name of our channel, we want to make sure that this row stays where it is when we scroll. Now currently this is what it looks like, and you can do this to any one of these rows. So let's do it. You want to make sure that the view tab is available on your ribbon, and if it's not, in this open space on the right hand side there is an arrow. You can select that hide quick access toolbar, or you can just right click here and you can see customize the ribbon. Now once you are in here, just make sure on the right hand side that the view tab is selected on, and tap on OK. And then once you are in view, you are going to travel to the right hand side, and here you can see freeze panes. Okay, and then you're going to make sure that this pane is selected and you're going to say freeze panes. All right, so now when we scroll, this header is going to stay on the top of the page, and we can go ahead and do whatever we want as we're scrolling. Now if you would like to unfreeze it, make sure that it's selected again, and you're going to go and tap on unfreeze. All right, if you want to go ahead and you want to make sure that the month, town, supply and amount, that is going to stay where it is, then you're going to select underneath the actual row, go over to freeze panes and tap it again, and now you can see if you've got a longer list, this is what it'll look like, and you'll keep those headings and you can carry on looking through your list. Now if this was a helpful video, don't forget to drop us a big old thumbs up, and we will see you in another awesome video. Cheers.